Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Why does our productivity rarely meet our expectations? When planning our work, most of us make a reasonable effort to estimate how long we'll need. While any given task seems perfectly doable on its own, when we string together a sequence of them, we rarely achieve our target. If we're as productive as we planned, we wouldn't need to work overtime or sacrifice our weekends. So how can we get more done in the same time and be able to knock off work with no guilt or digital tethering to the office? A major destructive force of productivity is multitasking. We imagine we'll save time by juggling tasks along with the random demands placed on us by email, instant messaging, phone calls and interruptions from well-meaning colleagues. But this switching between tasks takes a major toll on our effectiveness. We've all had the experience that we're often more productive on the tasks that add the most value once everyone's gone home, or that we choose to work from home because of too many interruptions at the office. That indeed is a signal that something in our workplace needs fixing. The opposite of all this is multitasking, is the psychological state coined by renowned psychologist Mikhail Csikszentmihalyi, flow. In flow, our work is challenging enough to stimulate us, but not so difficult that we become anxious about our ability to do the task. We become engrossed and lose track of time. We can dramatically improve our output and feel satisfied as we do so. Yet even when we've experienced this enjoyable state, many of us sabotage our ability to reach it. Stopping the bad habit of multitasking is a sure way to enjoy the many benefits of working in flow. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.